Snakes are among the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. With their sleek, elongated bodies and an uncanny ability to move without legs, they have intrigued scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries. But one of the most extraordinary aspects of snakes is their unique way of smelling. Unlike humans and most other animals that rely primarily on their noses, snakes use their tongues to gather scent particles from their environment. This extraordinary adaptation plays a crucial role in their survival, allowing them to locate food, navigate their surroundings, and even communicate with other snakes. Understanding the variety of snakes. The world is home to an incredible diversity of snake species, with over 3,900 recognized species slithering across different habitats, from dense rainforests to arid deserts. Some, like the reticulated python, hold records as the longest snakes on Earth, growing up to 30 feet, 9 meters, long, while others, like the Brahminy blind snake, are so tiny they resemble earthworms. Snakes have adapted to various lifestyles. Arboreal species, such as the green tree python, are excellent climbers, while sea snakes have evolved to thrive in marine environments, absorbing oxygen through their skin. Some snakes, like the boa constrictor, rely on their immense muscular strength to constrict and suffocate prey, while highly venomous species, such as the inland tapir, possess venom so potent that a single bite could kill over 100 adult humans. The cobra, with its iconic hood and defensive stance, uses intimidation to ward off threats rather than immediately striking. Despite their stark differences, all snakes share one fascinating trait: their unparalleled sense of smell. Their forked tongues, which might seem eerie to some, serve as ultra-sensitive scent detectors, helping them navigate their surroundings and locate food even in complete darkness. Why do snakes stick out their tongues? Many people are fascinated or even unnerved by a snake's frequent tongue flicking, a behavior that appears both mysterious and deliberate. Unlike humans, who rely on their noses for smelling, snakes depend heavily on their tongues to sense the world around them. This tongue-flicking motion allows them to taste the air, capturing microscopic scent particles and analyzing their environment with precision. Research shows that snakes can even differentiate between prey, predators, and potential mates based on these airborne chemical cues. This unique adaptation is especially beneficial in environments where visibility is low, such as thick vegetation or underground burrows. For instance, desert-dwelling snakes like the sidewinder use this method to detect the scent trails of hidden rodents, while pit vipers combine it with heat-sensitive pits on their faces to zero in on warm-blooded prey. What seems like an eerie behavior is actually an extraordinary survival tool, giving snakes a significant advantage in hunting and self-defense. In reality, when a snake flicks its tongue, it's not trying to be aggressive or intimidate you, it's simply gathering information, much like how we sniff the air when we smell something interesting. The vomeronasal organ. The secret to a snake's sense of smell. Beyond their tongues, snakes possess a hidden superpower, a specialized organ known as the vomeronasal organ, also called Jacobson's organ, located on the roof of their mouths. This organ acts like a high-tech chemical analyzer, helping the snake decode the scent particles collected on its tongue. When a snake flicks its tongue, it picks up these scent particles from the air or ground, then retracts it and presses it against the openings of the vomeronasal organ. Inside, sensory cells detect and interpret these signals, allowing the snake to understand its environment with incredible accuracy. Scientists have discovered that some species, like the timber rattlesnake, can even detect pheromones from prey and other snakes from astonishing distances, enabling them to track food or find a mate without relying on vision. The vomeronasal organ is also why some snakes, such as cane cobras, are highly territorial. They can smell intruders before even seeing them. This ability gives snakes an almost supernatural sense of direction and awareness, making them some of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. Whether hunting at night avoiding predators, or navigating vast landscapes. This powerful sense of smell ensures that snakes remain one of nature's most efficient and fascinating creatures. How do snakes use their sense of smell? Number 1. Hunting and locating prey. Since many snakes are carnivorous, their ability to detect prey is crucial. Using their tongues and vomeronasal organ, they can sense the presence of small animals such as rodents, birds, and even insects. This heightened sense of smell allows them to track prey even in complete darkness or dense vegetation, where visibility is limited. For example, a snake hunting a mouse can detect its scent long before seeing or hearing it. By determining which side of its tongue picked up a stronger scent, the snake can pinpoint the direction of its prey and strike with precision. Number 2. Avoiding predators. Just as snakes use their sense of smell to locate food, they also use it to evade potential dangers. By detecting the scent of larger predators, such as hawks or foxes, a snake can determine whether it should remain hidden or flee to safety. This survival mechanism is particularly essential for smaller, non-venomous snakes that rely on their ability to avoid confrontation rather than fight off attackers. Number 3. Communication and mating. Unlike humans, who rely on verbal and visual communication, snakes interact primarily through chemical signals. When a snake detects the scent of another snake, it can determine essential information, such as whether the other snake is male or female, and whether it is a potential mate. During mating season, male snakes follow the pheromone trails left behind by females. This chemical communication plays a crucial role in reproduction, ensuring that the species continues to thrive. How snakes detect direction using their tongues. One of the most incredible aspects of a snake's sense of smell is its ability to determine the direction of a scent. This is made possible by the forked nature of its tongue. Since the tongue has 2 separate tips, each side collects scent particles independently. If a snake picks up a stronger scent on the right side of its tongue, it knows that the source of the scent is in that direction. This allows the snake to make precise movements when hunting or navigating its surroundings. It's an incredibly efficient way to gather spatial information without relying on sight or sound. Comparing human and snake sensory abilities. While humans primarily rely on sight and sound to explore their environment, snakes depend heavily on smell. When we go for a nature walk, we use our eyes to observe trees, flowers, and animals, and our ears to hear birds chirping and leaves rustling. Snakes, on the other hand, experience the world in a completely different way. Instead of looking for food or danger with their eyes, they gather scent particles to build an invisible map of their surroundings. This heightened ability allows them to detect food sources or potential threats far more effectively than humans could in similar conditions. How to appreciate snakes' unique adaptations. Understanding how snakes interact with their environment can help people develop a greater appreciation for these incredible reptiles. While their flickering tongues may seem strange or even intimidating, they are simply part of a remarkable sensory system designed to help them survive. To gain a deeper understanding of how snakes rely on scent, one fun activity is to explore the world using our own sense of smell. Try closing your eyes and identifying different scents in your surroundings. You might notice the aroma of flowers, freshly baked cookies, or even something less pleasant like garbage. This can give you a small glimpse into how snakes use their tongues to perceive the world around them. That's a wrap. If you found this deep dive into the secret world of snakes as fascinating as we did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Show some love by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell, so you never miss another wild adventure into the animal kingdom.